Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account access and locating any API keys. Enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, select Model 4.0 and set a test temperature to control creativity. Next, draft a concise prompt outline with your goal, desired persona, constraints, and one example. Make sure to save this outline as a template so you can iterate quickly. Now send a minimal prompt to confirm the system responds and returns tokens within expected rates. You now refine the interaction by expanding context and specifying output format. Tell the model the exact structure you want. Once that's clear, create system-level instructions to enforce role and user messages for turn-by-turn flow. Also include length limits and stop sequences to avoid runaway responses. Next, run multi-turn tests with edge cases and ambiguous inputs to gauge robustness. Make sure to log model outputs and costs so you can adjust temperature, top P, or prompts for. You finish by validating outputs against your acceptance criteria and sample tests. Mark anything that deviates. Once validated, optimize prompts to reduce token use and improve speed, shorter context, clearer constraints. Deploy the template in your production flow and monitor performance metrics. If the chatbot drifts or fails, revert to the last working prompt template and run a targeted test. If issues persist, adjust temperature or system instructions, and rerun edge case tests until responses match expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.